Thank goodness we don't have the old laws regarding divorce and property distribution. Years ago, property was distributed unevenly, with husbands getting the lion's share, or the property was awarded to the spouse that was the innocent party in the marriage. If one spouse was an alcoholic, abusive, or adulterer, he or she received no share of the property. Today, the laws of distribution are quite different.
As we've said, many states have laws that arrange for equal distribution, or at least equitable distribution. If you aren't able to reach an agreement on how to distribute the property and end up consulting an attorney, other factors could come into play in influencing the distribution of property.
These factors include how each person in the marriage contributed to the acquisition of the property. This includes allowing that homemakers contributed to the ability to purchase the property, the age and health of each spouse, the value of each spouse's separate property, along with increases or decreases in value during the marriage, the length of the marriage, the occupation of each spouse and their earning potential, alimony or spousal support awards.
Dividing up the property can sometimes be confusing, at least if there is a great deal of property or the value of the property is significant. It may be worth seeking professional help if you can't reach an equitable settlement on your own. Lawyers, accountants, or real estate brokers can help you assess the value of the property and make recommendations for dividing the property between the two spouses.
Even before you begin discussing how you want to split up your property, it's essential to first take an inventory of your property. That way, you know exactly what you have and what decision you'll need to make in the division of the property. Remember, you are going to have some give and take or compromise when it comes to dividing the property. When you start with an accurate inventory, you have a good basis for your discussions.
We're providing a property questionnaire to get you started thinking about the property you and your spouse own on our website. It's a good idea for both spouses to complete the questionnaire separately. It is likely that one or both of you will forget certain items.
Again, for the sake of working together constructively, give your spouse the benefit of the doubt and add the items to your inventory. Some property is easier to divide than others. It's easy to split the balance of a savings account, but there's other property that's harder to figure out how to split up. How do you approach the property that can't be split down the middle? Here are some suggestions.
Visit us today at www.mydivorcepapers.com. Let mydivorcepapers.com help you file for divorce today.